I went to a few of the assemblies and got to meet lots of people, all very passionate about the environment. And that led to the foundation of Ffrindiau Pwllheli, which was a small group of people local to Pwllheli who were really passionate about taking forward some action for the environment.
Ers i ni cael yr help gen gwyrdd ni i sefydlu'n hynna'n fatha grŵp sydd yn gallu gweld ymhellach na cyfarfod nesaf. Yn y 2 mlynedd nesaf, da ni yn gobeithio fyddwn ni efo cynllun ar gyfer datblygu, hybu a edrych ar ôl y natur sgynnon ni ym Mhwllheli.
We've been overwhelmed by how positive the reception has been to the creation of Ffrindiau Pwllheli. It's a really good sign that something like this has been kind of needed in the area for some time. So very early on, one of the key challenges that's been identified in Pwllheli is because of the close proximity to an urban environment and a natural environment, we have a lot of litter. So what we've already started doing is doing a monthly regular litter pick where we invite volunteers to come and just pick litter for an hour or two. We've collected, I can't remember how many bags, like 30 or 40 bags of litter so far, and we're looking to continue that as a regular opportunity. We're also looking to do some other engagement events. So we've done a bird watching event. We want to celebrate nature at every opportunity. We're going to be using funding through Gwyddni to engage more people in nature and to run more volunteering opportunities and opportunities to just come out, experience the nature reserve and the different habitats around Pwllheli and raise awareness of the different animals and things that also live here.
Da ni'n cael yn clywed amdan gen Cyfoeth Naturiol Cymru, Prifysgol Bangor, Pontio. Mae'r gair yn mynd allan bod ni yn cychwyn rhywbeth arbennig iawn yn fan hyn. A yn gallu jyst reidio fo i weld lle awn ni i'r gorau.